Hello everybody. Yep, I have my Master 120 and we'll do a lock demo. There we go. That's the 120. This one doesn't have a hole. And it clearly says 120 on there. Very nice. And we'll do a demo of the 130. So this is a demo of the 130. I had to do it with one hand and holding the iPod Touch. So, well, right. There we go. It's gone. They did it now. See that there? That's my master combo. And so, right now it's locked. Now watch. Now being a springless lock, you just pull up on the shackle and let it go. So that's this weird bug where makes this weird sound. And over there's my workbench where there's a DVD player on there. Let's take a look at that. Yep, let's take a look at that. What this is a, like a light dart here. Alright, I get the light on. Actually, I'm just gonna pause the video here.
What are you doing?
I am putting my robe on.
Putting it together?
What?
Putting it together?
No, I'm putting my robe on. See? My robe.
Oh, I thought you were putting the robot
No, I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm gonna put that thing together. Okay, I'm back. And as you can see, this thing is very interesting, very complicated. One of the colors of these caps. Crazy colors. There's some blue ones and some yellow ones down there. That's the main board. This is the CD slot loading CD tray. Close it. Now, if anyone said what a DVD RP56 is doing there, it's a Pioneer. No, Panasonic, not Pioneer, what the hell? I got Pioneer, whatever. Yep, that's it.